The Tonse Alliance has noted with dismay threats issued by the Zambia Police Service through its spokesperson, Mr. Lai Hamonga, that the police are going to arrest anyone who refers to their activities of covert detentions as abductions. Our position is that we have no objection to the Zambia Police Service doing their job in a transparent manner and in accordance with the Constitution and its subsidiary laws. The Zambia Police Service Act, Cap 107, together with the Criminal Procedure Code Act, Cap 88 of the laws of Zambia, are very instructive about how the police, as well as any other law enforcement agencies, are supposed to effect arrests and detentions in a transparent manner, as well as affording the suspects an opportunity to be represented by legal counsel of their choice when they are being interrogated, or, in the absence of legal counsel, a relative or friend of their choice. Additionally, Section 253 of the Penal Code Act, Cap 87 of the laws of Zambia, clearly defines the offense of abduction as any person who compels by force another person to move from one place to another outside the provisions of any written law. Clearly, from the above, when the police arrest or detain a person and take such a person to a gazetted detention center, such as a police station, and they afford such a person the rights enshrined in the law, such as the right to make a phone call, or to engage counsel or relatives to be present during interrogation, then there is no offense committed by the respective police officers. However, when the police arrest or detain a person and they proceed to hide or conceal such an arrest or detention from the public and proceed to deny the person his rights under the law, such as the right to a phone call or the right to have counsel of their choice or a relative of their choice present when being interrogated, as the case was with Mr. Chandanonde and many other political detainees, then the police officers in question clearly commit an offense of abduction, as provided for by Section 253 of the Penal Code Act, Cap 87 of the laws of Zambia. As Tonse Alliance, we wish to advise Mr. Lai Hamonga, and through him, the wider Zambia Police Service at large, that wearing a police uniform or having a service number or having a police identity card does not make one to become immune from the criminal offense of abduction, as provided for by Section 253 of the Penal Code Act, Cap 87 of the laws of Zambia. As Tonse Alliance, we wish to take this opportunity to warn and caution individual police officers to ensure that they discharge their duties within the narrow confines of the law. Individual police officers who decide to operate outside of the law and commit offenses such as abduction simply because they are excited to be closely associated with the political leadership of the current government shall be held accountable at the appropriate time. As Tonse Alliance, our desire is to concentrate on rebuilding the economic fortunes of the nation once elected into office. We have no wish to engage in any form of witch hunting against any individual police officers or law enforcement agents. However, we shall be unable to give a blind eye to individual police officers or law enforcement agents who deliberately violate the law against perceived political opponents of the current regime, as they seek to gain personal gain or rather, as they seek to obtain personal gain by way of seeking to endear themselves to the political leadership of the current regime. Any such individuals shall be prosecuted to the fullest extent of the law at the appropriate time. Thank you.